Hello student, this is your geography class standard 7. Today I am going to start your new chapter 1, representation of geographical features.
In modern mapping, a topographic map or a topographical sheet is a type of map characterized by large-scale details and quantitative representation of relief, usually using contour line. Topographic map shows about natural and man-made features also. A topographic map is published as a map series made up of two or more map sheets that combine to form the whole map. Several natural and some man-made features are representative by colors in topographical map. Use of color on topographical sheet. Many colors are used on a topographical sheet to represent certain physical, economic or cultural features. The details are as under. The blue color is used to show all physical features associated with water such as sea, rivers, pond, well, etc. The black color is used to showing names, dry water bodies such as dry streams, wells, ponds, river valleys, boundaries, railways, telephone and telegraph line, grid of the parallel and meridians, surveyed trees, heights, etc. The green color is used to showing the forest area, tree, scrub, orchard, etc. The cultivated area are highlighted in yellow. The area with white color shows the uncultivated area. The brown color is used for showing the contour, their numbers, foam lines, sand dunes, etc. The red color is used for settlement roads and arbitrary grid line, that is easting and northing. Used of scale for measurement. Scale are defined as a ratio of distance of the map and the corresponding distance on the ground. The distance on the ground is usually measured in large units such as kilometer or miles, while the units of measuring distance on the map are centimeter and inches. The scale on the map shows how many smaller scales such as centimeter or inches on the map represent how many kilometer or miles on the ground. Statement, scale and RF. For example, the scale of the map sheet 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. It means the 1 centimeter distance measured on the map is equal to 1 kilometer distance on the ground. Thus, the scale helps us to reduce the size of yard and represent it as a whole or in part of the piece of paper. The representative section or RF is the ratio between the distance or the map taken as unity and the corresponding distance on the ground. Being ratio, the RF has no units. For example, if the RF of a map is 1:50,000, then by the definition it means 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 centimeter. If you convert 50,000 centimeter into meter, we get 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 upon 100 is equal to 500 meter. So the statement scale of this RF would read 1 centimeter is equal to 500 meter or 0.5 kilometer. If convert this statement into whole number, we get 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 kilometer. 2 into 1 centimeter is equal to 2 into 0.5 kilometer. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Thus, the RF of 1:50,000 means that 2 centimeter on the map shows 1 kilometer on the ground. The linear scale. The linear scale is represented to a graphical drawing of this scale with the division and the subdivision, and therefore also known as the graphical scale. Each division measure the difference on the map, and the value written along the scale shows the distance on the ground. The big division on the scale are called the primary division. The zero or the beginning of the scale is marked after the first primary division. The first primary division of the scale is further divided into small division or the secondary division. The scale shows 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. The unit of the primary and the secondary division may be the same or different, like kilometer and meter, etc. Fact: dry, sandy embankment and valley of dry river are shown by black dots in topographic sheet. Measuring distance on the map using scale. Distance on the map can be measured by two methods, or direct or crowfly method. It is measured as the crowfly by avoiding the physical barrier. Distance is measured by placing a strip of the paper or a foot ruler, or by pair of divider on two needed points. Then the distance is measured from the linear scale. This is the distance in a straight line. In direct method or route distance, this distance is measured along a road, railway line or river, etc. To measure a distance, a piece of paper or thread is used. A thread or twine is twisted on the curves between the points taken for measurement. Then the distance is measured on the linear scale by stretching a thread or twine along the scale. To measure the direct distance from point X to Y in kilometer, as shown as in figure. To measure the indirect distance between point A and B using a thread. Fact: the conventional symbols are always given in topographical sheet for easy reference along with a linear scale and RF. Conventional sign and symbols. The size of the map is much smaller than the actual size of the land. That is represented due to its reduced size on a map. It is not possible to show the natural and man-made feature on the map in their actual shape and size. Therefore, some symbols which are accepted all over the world are used to represent features like river, road, mountains, cities, etc. on the map. The symbols are known as the conventional symbols. The symbols are useful as the facilities to representations of meaningful information on topographical sheets.